Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to view pixel data results in Facebook campaign. Follow these steps. Go to the Facebook ad manager on your computer, click on the campaign that you want to analyze, click on performance, navigate to the performance tab or section, and then look for column or metric related to pixel events such as conversions or custom events to see your pixel data results. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.